Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this super cute and simple stud earring. We will need a circle punch like this one and a piece of paper of your choice. I will use the black paper. We will need, if you want to glitter your and finish your earring, we will need a glitter nail polish and a transparent nail polish. Okay, let's get started to create this super cute stud earring. We will need 10 pieces of circle paper, and then with your circle punch you will cut 10 circle, and then we will glue together all the circle in this way, putting one above the other. Just a sec. Okay, try to glue them together. Okay, in this way. Voila. Okay. 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 Just a sec. Voila. And then the other one. Okay. Now we will need to this one, and before we will glue the last one, okay, we will need to punch a hole here because we will need to glue this before glittering your earring. So here we will glue this post earring. To glue your piece of paper, you can choose the glue that you prefer. Voila. Also for the post earring. Voila. Here. Okay. And now we will need to glue this here. Press down and leave it to dry. Voila. Okay, leave it to dry, and now when the glue will be dried, you will need some glitter nail polish. I will use this one, and you will need to give 2 times your nail polish. First time, and then also here. Voila. Voila. Leave it to dry, and then after the nail polish will be dried, you will need to give a second coat, and then to finish your earring, it's better if you give another coat of transparent nail polish. In my case, this is the final result. So I hope you enjoyed this video and this idea. It's quite simple. You can create your earring in many different ways, because you can use any paper you like. You can also use some glitter paper, and so you don't need to cover the stud earring with nail polish. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.